welcome back to my channel Azmi Streamer. So in this video I am going to show you how to make cream of broccoli soup. Let's go into the video. Heat a pan and pour some oil. Now you can put the chopped garlic and saute it a little bit. Now you can add the onions and saute it until the onions are translucent. Add 3 cups of water. Let it boil for a few minutes. Now you can add the broccoli and let it cook until the broccoli is boiled well. Now it's boiled, so you can transfer it into a mixie jar and grind it into a fine paste. Heat a pan and put some butter. Melt the butter. Now you can add 1 teaspoon of flour in it and mix it. Add salt as required. Add milk in it. Add the milk gradually because we don't need it to get lumped. It should be in this consistency. Now you can add the broccoli mix. Mix it very well. Now you can add the garam masala. and add pepper also. Now you can transfer it into a bowl. In the top you can add fresh cream like this. For watching. If you like this video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you. Bye.